What's up, dudes? In this video I'm going to teach you a little bit about cinnamon and different things that you can do with cinnamon. Now first off, I have two different forms here. This is the ground form. This is usually the one you can get in bulk, and usually you can have a lot more spells with this because it's powdered. It can stretch a lot further. But this is the whole form, and this is the bark that you could either splinter off or you can crush it down further for different spells. But this is more of the more focused intention. You can write on this, you can attach a dollar bill to this and put it in your money bowl. There's loads of different things that you can do with each one, but the first thing that I would like to suggest is making any sort of tea or any sort of coffee with the ground cinnamon. This is not only good for boosting your energies in the morning, but it's also good for setting your intentions in the morning and also providing a bit more of abundance and protection into your life. You could also use this if you want to lose weight. I don't know personally if it will help you lose the amount of fat you need, but it definitely will curb your appetite. I used to have this a lot in my coffee, and then I would just drink that in the morning until maybe lunchtime. So just this and some coffee and maybe a few other herbs in my coffee, that will be the best thing for curbing your appetites, to help you either lose weight or just to help you stay a little bit satiated if maybe you can't eat, or maybe if you don't have the ability to eat at the moment. You could also stir in the whole form of the cinnamon. You could either break this apart and have it into some loose water, preferably moon water from a dark moon or a waxy moon. This is good for releasing energy. So if you want to, like I said, focus on weight loss, you can add this into your water or your tea or your coffee, and that'll just help to curb your appetite and also add a different effect into your coffee other than just having a little bit of flavor. We'll say on the flavor wise, the whole cinnamon will have a stronger flavor, but it will last less, and the powdered cinnamon will not have as much flavor, but you can use a lot more of it to make it stronger. So sort of pros and cons of each thing if you want to be using it for ingesting things. If you don't want to use this for ingesting, you could also use this for any sort of spells. You can dress a candle with this to boost any sort of effects, or if you would like to, you can add a petition to a bay leaf or maybe a petition paper or any sort of thing that you would like to write a petition on, and then you can wrap it in this. If it's big enough, you could also just fit it inside, and then you can have your spells boosted that way. That's a good tip if you want to add a bit of long-term abundance and just long-term success into your money bowl. Wrap something in cinnamon, and then it'll just boost that effect. These are just a few different examples, different ways that you can use cinnamon. If you'd like to know anything else about cinnamon or different herbs or properties, just leave it in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Have a good day, night, life. Enjoy yourself and be happy.